This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Toyota Tundra center console. First, ensure your vehicle is off and the parking brake is engaged for safety. Gather your necessary tools, such as a plastic trim removal tool, a socket wrench, and a small flathead screwdriver. Begin by shifting the gear selector into its lowest position, which provides ample space to work. Then, gently pry up the trim piece that surrounds the gear shifter, using your plastic tool to avoid scratches. Next, you'll need to remove a few more components. Locate and remove the 2 screws positioned at the front of the console's main storage area. After detaching the shifter trim, carefully disconnect any electrical connectors that might be attached to it. These usually power things like the 4-wheel drive selector or heated seat controls. Then, lift out the cup holder insert, as this often hides additional mounting screws that secure the console. Now, let's get to the main fasteners. Once the cup holder is out, you'll find more screws. Remove all remaining bolts that secure the console to the vehicle's floor. There are typically 4 to 6 of these, often hidden under small covers. Before fully lifting, reach underneath and disconnect any large electrical harnesses or auxiliary power outlets. Take your time to ensure all connections are free before attempting to lift the console. With all fasteners and electrical connections removed, you can now gently maneuver the entire center console out of the vehicle. Be careful not to snag any remaining wires or scratch interior surfaces during this process. It's a good practice to store all removed screws and small parts in a labeled container to make reassembly much easier. Remember, taking your time ensures a smooth process. Also, check the description below for a link to some great deals, including those amazing darn tough socks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.